Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. As you can tell by the title, your girl moved, and I'm just so happy and so thankful, and I just can't stop thanking God enough because it's nobody but him, like literally nobody but him, and my supporters as well, because you guys do have a part to play in me being able to achieve this. Guys, my skin is going through it right now, so we're just gonna ignore it and just enjoy the blessings and be thankful. So yeah, this is my new apartment. I just got the keys and I'm going to give you guys a tour. So this is the kitchen area, and this is how it's looking. So stainless steel appliances, and you know the deep, I think this is called the farm sink. Love that. My fridge is a little different than the one I had before. This is what it's looking like. I do have a lot of cabinet space. A lot of cabinet space in the kitchen, and honestly, I am not complaining. Are you guys seeing all of this cabinet space? And obviously the island, of course. I'm loving it. This unit is a bit bigger than the one I have now. Yeah, so I'm excited to decorate. This is the living room area. That's the front of my apartment, so I'm not gonna show you the view. I'm kind of bummed that this is the view I have, but this is the living room area from all the way at the back. But it's huge, and I can't wait to get my stuff in here. This is the bedroom. Nice lighting. I love this carpet. It's like not plush, and I love that. Like it's so much easier to it's gonna be so much easier to clean. But the bedroom is a bit bigger. I'm excited for the space. And obviously, you know, windows, we love lighting. And I do, guys, in this apartment I have so much closet space. So this is closet number 1, the walk-in closet. Let me turn the light on. This is the walk-in closet. So much space, so much space. Let me turn the light off. And then we have like a smaller closet across the hall. I'm not sure if there's light in here. It doesn't look that way, but I might put light in here. Just a smaller closet. And guys, this is the star of the show for me. The bathroom is to die for. Get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, the bathroom is just it for me. It's just it for me. The bathroom is really it for me. So this is the bathroom. It does have a lot of drawers, which I don't have at my place, and it does have 2 sinks, which I love, and a shower. It doesn't have a bathtub, which is unfortunate, but I'm excited. I love it. This unit does also come with a full-size washer and dryer. This is what the washer and dryer are looking like. And it does come with its storage up here. So I do love that. I love that. Like storage. Like that's what this place is about. And I'm so blessed and so thankful for everything in life. Like I'm just in awe that everything I want like keeps happening, and no matter how much of stress and I think things are gonna be not gonna go through and things are just so bad and I'm in such a bad place in life, like God always come through for me. Like honestly, I'm so thankful. Like I'm so thankful to be here. But I'm just gonna take some more clips, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for some decorating videos. Yeah, so as always, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you next time. I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine.